Now here we have taken number 8 from question number 5. So let us write the left hand side to prove this equal to this. Left hand side, this is sin A plus cosec A whole square alright. Now here in both the cases it is A of the form A plus B whole square, this is of the form A plus B whole square, which is equal to, we know, A square plus twice AB plus B square. So let us expand in this way. A square plus twice AB plus B square. Okay, we have expanded this in this form. Then again it is A plus B whole square. Let us expand it. So this is A plus B whole square. A square plus twice cos A into sec A plus B square, that is sec square A. Now this sin square A and cos square A together we have written. Then we want to write this 2 sin A into cosec A is the reciprocal of sin A. Let us note down sin A. So we have written this term also. Okay, what is left here? This cosec square A plus this term we have written this. Now this term 2 cos A, this sec A is 1 by cos A because sec A is the reciprocal of cos A, plus this sec square A. Now according to the first identity, sin square A plus cos square A is 1, plus these two will get cancelled, 2 plus this cosec square A plus these two will get cancelled, this is 2 plus this sec square A. Now we are very close to right hand side. Now let us add, this is 2, 2, 4, 5 plus this cosec square A can be written as 1 plus cot square A because this is the demand of the right hand side. Sec square A is 1 plus tan square A. This is another identity. Now let us add, this is 5 plus 1, 6, this is 7. Then what is asked? This tan square A. Then this cot square A. In this way we can prove the right hand side. Now dear students, here we have taken number 9 from question number 5. So let us write the left hand side because we have to prove this equal to this. So here left hand side is cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A. Let us simplify it. Then cosec A, it is the reciprocal of sin A, so cosec A is 1 by sin A minus this sin A. Again sec A is the reciprocal of cos A, so it is 1 by cos A minus cos A. Now we will take the LCM. Here it is 1, here also it is 1. So LCM is sin A. Sin A by sin A is 1, 1 into 1 is 1 minus sin A by 1 is sin A. Sin A into sin A is sin square A. Similar method let us apply here. LCM is cos of A. Cos A by cos A is 1, 1 into 1, 1 minus this by this is cos A into cos A, cos square A. Now according to the first identity, sin square A plus cos square A is 1. So sin square A means 1 minus cos square A. Again from here cos square A means this cos square A means this 1 and sin square A we have to take that side. We have to apply both here. 1 minus sin square A. 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. So this is cos square A. Then this is sin A into 1 minus cos square A is sin square A. Then this cos of A. We can cancel this cos A, so it will be cos A is left, sin A is left. So this is sin A into cos A. Now let us simplify the right hand side, because here yet we have not got the right hand side, so we have to simplify it. Alright, so here right hand side is 1 by 10a plus this cot a. So here we shall convert each in the simplest form, that is in terms of sin a and cos a. This is sin a by cos a plus this is cos a by sin a. Let us take the LCM here. So it is sin a into cos of a. This by this is sin a. Sin a into sin a, sin square a, plus this by this is cos a. Cos a into cos a, cos square a. 1. Sin square a plus cos square a is 1 divided by sin a into cos a. So this is 1 into, we'll take the reciprocal, so this is sin a cos a by 1. So if we multiply, this is sin a cos a. So here you can see, when we simplified the left hand side, we got sin a into cos a. When we simplified right hand side, then we have got sin a into cos a. As there is no space here, so let us write a little bit here. You can, this is left hand side is equal to right hand side, because it's equal to sin a cos a. Alright.